In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the ASCII built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. The ASCII function will replace any non-ASCII characters with escape characters. Let's do a few examples to understand how the ASCII function works. I created a variable with string data type. I printed the variable to the console screen with the print command. I also printed the variable using the ASCII function. There are some non-ASCII characters in the string expression. Replace them with escape characters. You can access non-ASCII characters using this website. I added the link to the site in the video description. This website displays values in hex type, which are used instead of non-ASCII characters. Let's do a different example. This sign is a non-ASCII character. Therefore, the escape character was displayed instead of the non-ASCII character. Again, you can search for this character on this website. Here is the hex value returned by the ASCII function instead of this character. Let's do a different example. You can pass a list to the ASCII function. It represents a hex value instead of a non-ASCII character as in the string expression. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the ASCII built-in function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.